Hi and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. It's time to get some Christmas stuff. I'm gonna take you along with me into the Dollar Tree, also going to Walmart. So I will do a haul afterward and I'll try to get some good footage while I'm in there. If that's something you'd like to see, then just keep watching. Okay, so Dollar Tree was a success, so now we're gonna go to Walmart.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. Next door, we talk for hours on end.
So it is actually the next day. I just wanted to show you what I have as far as Christmas decorations. I'm gonna start off with Target, which I know I didn't show you, but I got a couple things at the dollar spot when I was there. There wasn't too many items, but I'll show you what I got from there, from the Dollar Tree, and then finally from Walmart, which is what I got most of, I think. So let's get started with Target. So the first thing I got were these little LED lights, right? These little LED lights. And there's 10 of them. And this was $3. So I didn't get too much from there. It was pretty bare. This silver tree, I guess it's a bottle brush tree. I got a large white one. It was also $3. I got this small little green one. I really like this color. This was $1. And this was also $1. And I got a little white one. And then I got these are little stickers for your gift wrapping. That is all I got from Target. So let's move on to the Dollar Tree. Got these, it's kind of big, they're pretty big. Big snowflakes, they're kind of like a felt material. So I got 3 of them. My whole bag here. I'm gonna have to vacuum because there's a lot of glitter. I got this bell. Dollar Tree bell. Sorry though, the sun's really bright. And then on the inside it's kind of dipped in, so it's pretty easy to hang up, I'm guessing. So there's that. So one of my favorite things to get for any kind of decoration are like floral picks, because I have a million little places I can put them. So I got a lot of picks here. So the first one, it's a cute little dove on there. Very pretty. This one, it's got some glitter on the end. Little pine cone. And then this one, some pine cones with some glitter on it. These are like little silver, I don't know, I guess they would be like holly, silver holly, I don't know. Really pretty white poinsettias. I got this blank wreath. I'm going to be making a like Dollar Tree craft with me video, so that's going to be part of that. I got these little tea lights. So for the tea lights, I'm going to use these, and one's a little bit taller than the other, and I might do something with them. I might spray them, paint them differently, we'll see. Alright, if you've seen any of my other Dollar Tree videos, you know I love their bottles. And I was tempted to get another one, but I actually just got 2 of these. And they have the cork on top. So I think I'm gonna paint them and make some kind of DIY project with them. Stay tuned for that. I got this, oh sorry, this silver tray. It's actually like metal, it's not plastic, so I don't know, I might do some kind of display with that. And I got this little silver Christmas tree. Alright, so on to Walmart. So I got a bunch more picks from Walmart. They had so many different ones. They were about $1 each for the smaller one, so here's one. This was 97 cents. And I really like this sage pick. It kind of matches all the farmhouse decor that I have, but they have this like white glitter on it, and it's so pretty. You can tell. So this one was also 97 cents. The white glitter branch pick. Very, very pretty. It wasn't really Christmas, but it was a lamb's ear pick that was only 97 cents, and I just love this, you know, for the whole year. So I grabbed that. Another one of these. This pick was $3. So it has a little frosted pine cone on there, and some cotton, and some holly berries, and actually cranberries there. So it's pretty long, and really thought that was nice. Okay, I guess I got another one of these. I thought they were so pretty. And this one was a little bit more expensive. It was $5, and it's kind of this whole poinsettia bouquet. So, poinsettias, and it has these little, like, snowy fuzzy balls there, and some pine cones. I thought it was really pretty for the whole bunch of it, and there's a lot I can do with the bouquet. I picked up more trees. These were $1 each. So there's this one, and one. And I really am enjoying all the flocked stuff this year. I grew up in the snow and I totally miss it, and so all the snowy white, I just love it. I guess Christmas drape, I think it was about $2. Probably going to put it underneath our tree. I don't have our tree yet. I'll probably decorate the week of Thanksgiving, so I will show you guys all that, but I thought this would be really nice with the Christmas tree. So garland, it was $5.78 and it is 15 feet long. So I thought that was really pretty. Oh, another pick. This was 98 cents and I thought it was so cute. There's a little pine cone there, kind of farmhouse look. And it came with like little silver pine leaves. Yeah, just thought that was really pretty. So the last thing I got was probably the most expensive thing. I usually try to keep everything pretty affordable. This was kind of a lot for me. I just thought it was so beautiful. This wreath. This was $9.87 for the wreath. They had other ones that had like little pine cones and stuff. That's something that I might actually glue on here. I don't know, I just think it's so simple and beautiful on its own. But again, we'll see what I come up with if I do anything with it. The totals real quick. For everything at the Dollar Tree, I think it was like $21 for all the Christmas items, and then at Walmart like $33. I think it will be enough to pretty much decorate everything. Got a lot of stuff for like 50 bucks, $60. Might stop by Target to see if they put anything else out. I'm sure that they will. That's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this shop with me and haul. If you are stopping by my channel for the first time, I hope that you consider subscribing and tap that little bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty social on there. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!